The sugar is really covering up that matcha taste.
This is the start of the video, but I'm gonna start with a quick little rant. So I was supposed to be doing content for this brand. It was supposed to be like a collaboration or something, but it ended up falling through and no free promo. Thank you. But like I was so disappointed. Me and Fana were literally playing in these people's store. However, like I had this whole content thing planned for them and I was really so excited to shoot and like do like 3 videos and stuff like that. But and I had to like beg them to tell me like what's happening. But that's fine, because they don't deserve me. And one day they're going to look back and be like, shit, should have, invested when things were early. But like I'm not tripping, so let's go to China.
Shine away. I would have held you closer if I could.
So I'm just from and they told me they'll contact me when to go get my package. We're in Chinatown. We want to try dumplings first and then we go try the beef noodles. Yeah, so we'll give you a full review. It looks so beautiful. We're now having some tea. I just fell my chopsticks. Embarrassing. But yeah, please like, comment and subscribe. We're going to give you a review. This is the pork barbecue. Yeah. Twice. I like this. It's very salty. I would give it 7 out of 10. So I would rate that 7.5 out of 10.
I rate it 7 out of 10. 7.2.
The wontons, they're not as good as I thought they would be. Ni influencers nyinyi. Nyinyi mimi wama influencing. But it tasted like mala. Something I've had before. Not mala like maziwa mala. Like hot pot mala. And it was okay. But not mind blowing. And I would not have it again. I would have the dumplings again. Yeah, the dumplings are fine. Yeah. Pina, we're going home. Until next time. Bye.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Clock that. Period.
How am I supposed to let you go?
Hi guys. Okay, so I hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to be shooting for neat Garms. Like, well, let me show you the top, and I haven't yet. This is not the full outfit because I can't walk around in town looking that beautiful. But you guys will see. I'm going to like a vinyl store. I really hope they'll let me record in that, like take pictures in that store. If not, I'm gonna go to Lavington, I think, to like some car show thing. Yeah, and I think I look pretty good. Like, I'm excited. I've not been feeling well. I've not been feeling well lately, but now I don't know, the afro does something to me. Does something to me. So yeah, so let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys when I reach there.
Feeling so fresh, so juicy. Only rock with the best, I'm choosing. I got the sauce, I'm choosing. In the ghetto at the same time, bougie. Ooh, wanna take a photo, cause my style look good. Caught a good vibe, I can feel it in my soul. Driving around Nairobi like a boss. I don't need a brand, no, I don't need to floss. Of course, on the highway, listening to Chekafe. Twinning with Steve, thank God that it's Friday, man. We so fly, it's our time. On the dance floor, do my dirty wine.
These are antibiotics. You take one tablet every day.
And so they're making to the concept. Like Mimi's over there, the magnet doesn't enter.
Yeah. Oh. Sorry. You know, the sugar is really covering up that matcha taste. So this is quite nice.
Blueberry matcha. Yeah. You have to do that curly girl stuff. My sister does this every morning.
Yeah.
It's actually quite nice. Yeah. You're telling me the mic can't reach there, like from this distance? That's crazy. Anyway, yeah, I think it's quite nice. Although, I can see why people say it's grassy.
Is this your first time trying matcha?
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Okay. You should try the acai together. Okay, what nyali chagua?
So the Githeri one has a...
So what do you have?
So there's I can't remember. These are grapes for sure. Pineapple, macadamia, right? Granola, pistachio. I swear I asked for something that's condensed milk, right?
Yeah.
That's a weird ass combination.
Yeah.
I don't know. Well, I told you to chew, but no, I trust myself. I'm sure it's
And the
fine.
acai. Okay, mine has acai, chia seeds with milk. I mean, okay. And then mangoes, peanuts, grapes, and biscoff, I think.
Is
I
that
don't
what
know.
the brown stuff?
Yeah, it's biscoff. I don't know. I've never seen acai with nuts though.
Pause.
Bruh, the type of people I hang out with.
That is
You're not
hilarious.
trying?
But then it's giving Githeri for sure.
No, but it smells actually so nice.
This is the acai. Hapa ndio acai iko.
Oh my god. What the hell? This is so good. This stuff is amazing.
Hell yeah. This is so good.
This is actually. This is like a revelation. I think I'm having like a spiritual experience right now. Wait,
So good, right?
I swear I hope that this business is sustainable so they can keep going. It's pretty nice. Let's try this one.
Hey, no, lakini
No, I swear
that's
it's-
too much macadamia.
Okay,
Hey, and then Njugu on yours, bro.
bruh, this stuff is like. Okay.
But the acai is so good.
Spoons. Guys, you need to like get trying to be
Yeah.
artsy, but
It's just as I remember it, to be honest.
this stuff is amazing.
Yeah, what?
Whose idea was this?
Mine, obviously.
Not bad.
mine.
Shut up.
So what do you think of the...
You sent the TikTok. You know by the way that TikTok.
It's actually so much better without the mini Njugus.
Really? But yours has like macadamia.
Yeah, macadamia and peanuts are not the same.
Oh, this one has peanut.
Makanga.
Me too, you farts in the
And so guys,
berry.
as per my recommendation, banger.
Agree.
Clock it. You guys can
I was like, oh,
To make life more difficult.
really, really make it actually a special case. It's not everywhere where like the weather is nice. It doesn't get like.
and I want